It's Burger Mom. Cheers.
Cheers, y'all.
Taste test. This is fire. Hey, welcome back to Local in Seattle. I'm your host, Kelly Hansen, and just like and subscribe right now if you're a burger fan, okay? And I don't know, who isn't? It's Burger Month, we're celebrating burgers, and I get to try one special burger today. Let's just get right into the video. I hope you're hungry. I am. So let's go and let's cook and meet the chef that I'm working with today.
Every February is Seattle Burger Month. It's our 9th year doing it, and we team up with chefs from around the Seattle, Washington area. Let them create their own burgers. This year we got Tanaka, which you'll see here shortly. Then next week we have Kristi Brown from Communion. Week after that we have Bill from Paju, and then follow up we have Evan from Off Alley. Lil Woody's, outside of, you know, the burgers we serve, we're heavily involved in the community. So every week we do specials with a nonprofit, with a chef, with a musician, with an artist, with a brand, just in order to be able to tell their stories. They can tell our stories. It's a great way to get support within the community. And then we also do a program called Burger for Burger, where every burger bought, we donate a burger back to a food insecure community.
My burger is the E.T. Big Boy Deluxe, and the story behind that is that when I was a kid down in LA, if I wasn't too naughty, our family would go out for dinner. Bob's Big Boy, that was our big night out. I would always order the Bob's Big Boy Deluxe with the blue cheese side salad. So this is a little mashup of that, because that was my first burger crush. This burger is kind of a, you know, from memory. There's a little special red sauce, and we use a little red eye cocktail, so it's a cocktail sauce with coffee grounds in it, and the blue cheese salad, American cheese, 2 beef patties, and the buns. So it's simple but delicious.
Okay, E.T., I am pumped to watch you grill this, bake this. I don't know. We're gonna do it, and and most importantly, I'm gonna try it. So we're happy. Cheers.
Cheers, y'all.
Taste test.
God damn.
This is fire. If you like blue cheese and burgers, 10/10 recommend this one. I kind of feel healthy because it's like I'm eating a salad, right?
Grass-fed beef.
And and grass-fed beef. There we go. I made a big mess. What do you think, chef, of your work?
Pretty good.
What would you rate it? 10 out of 10?
I think the original is always a 10, but 9.5.
He'll give it a 9.5. That's high marks. What do you think?
This is the original. This is a flip. It's a 10.
Thank you so much for watching this Local in Seattle. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and I will have more information on how you can get a hold of this special burger in the YouTube description. I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye.